Hi, this is Raksha from Calilio, and today we'll explore the message scheduling feature. A simple way to plan your messages ahead of time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to schedule a message so it's delivered at the perfect time. With Calilio's scheduling feature, you don't need to be online to send the messages at the right moment. This is especially useful for sending reminders, follow-ups, or messages across different time zones. The best part, you have full control. You can choose from preset times or set your own custom schedule. Now let's walk through the setup step by step. First, navigate to the left panel on your Calilio dashboard. Then, click on a number to access its call box. Once in this interface, click on this rectangular box to type out the message that you want to schedule. Other than text messages, you can also schedule and send voice notes by clicking on this button and all MS files saved in your computer by clicking on this button. Now, to set the time for your message to be sent, after you have typed out your messages or recorded a voice note or added a file, click on this button where you can choose a suggested time, or you can also set a custom time by clicking on Custom. Once you've selected your preferred date and time, click on Schedule Message. You will be able to view your scheduled message by clicking on this button. Here, if you click on the three dots, you will be able to edit the message, send the message right away, or delete it. Let us see what can you do with edit message. Here, you can tweak the previously typed message, add a voice note. The next meeting is on Sunday at 10. And also add a file from this button if you prefer, or not, reschedule, and finally update the message. As you can see, your message has been updated and rescheduled. Once you've scheduled a message, Calilio queues it up in the background, and at the selected time, the system automatically delivers it to your recipient. No extra action needed from you. This is perfect, for example, if you're working late at night but don't want to disturb your client, you can just schedule the message for the next morning. Scheduling gives you more flexibility and peace of mind. You can plan messages around business hours or events. You'll avoid sending late-night texts that may feel unprofessional. And for teams, it ensures timely communication without needing someone online 24/7. And that's how simple it is to schedule a message in Calilio. If you need any help, contact our support team via the live chat box. Our team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching.